Okay, let's see.
Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of Naval Academy to Annapolis to Shadyside, moving northeast at 39. The National Weather Service wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessels. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point,
Is that KHB?
Magothy River,
Oh.
Chester River, Gibson, amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warring area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused. Source, radar indicated. Radar, impact, waters and small flooding.
Nope.
Southwest middle ground, Ewell, Point Lookout, Columbia Sound, Point No Point, Congo River, the targets, Richland Point Buoy, Five Valve, and Geo Island. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.